The Fkjgp leaders on Monday met Meghalaya Public Service Commission Chairman Paul Rida Marwan to express upon the need to speed up the recruitment process of the various posts in various government departments. Speaking to reporters after meeting the Mpsc chairman, Fkjgp President Dundee Cliff Concert said that the Meghalaya Public Service Commission chairman has claimed that there is a delay in the recruitment process since there are more than 20,000 applicants who have been applied for only 5 vacant posts. According to him, they have suggested that the Commission can strengthen its information technology IT wing to facilitate the process of online submission of applications.
The reason which he have informed us that there's a slow process with regards to the recruitment is due to the large number of the applicants for a small number of posts also. Suppose there are 5 numbers of posts, but the applicants are around 20,000. We have talked, and he also is agree with us that it is high time for the state government to create its own IT cells within the Mpsc office, so that it will take advantage of the technology by online application, so on and so forth.
The 3-day 7 Northeast Green Summit